In the previous video from this series, we spoke to industry professionals about their experience with ESTEEM, but now we'll have Sonia and Scott from our team sharing their thoughts.
Personally, I think that for me the most exciting is to see the innovative ideas from all the members, and as a team lead I have a wonderful chance to work with different areas, and it's so great to see how multidisciplinary it is, and the fact that we can allow ourselves to expand our ideas and to actually implement them in the real life, and also sometimes on top of it in collaboration with companies. And at the end of the day, it allows us to be more productive, and it makes the whole job exciting because you don't feel the pressure mostly that much. The pressure is more motivating, but you do feel this drive and ambition to deliver your product at the end.
I'd probably say the main thing that's actually really exciting for me is the fact that it is a proper project working in a multidisciplinary group, actually working with people such as yourself who are actually unrelated entirely to construction and understanding the process that, I mean, even for example, the building management system we have in the house, and we're having to design and integrate that, is something an architectural engineer would never do. We would have a computer scientist come in and do that. But tying in directly with you, helping us design that essentially is really important in understanding how these buildings work when I go into industry.
And I think this is a really good question. And I think it's because sometimes we did have this like moment of pause and asking, why do I do it? And I think that the main drive, different people have different drives, and projects such as this one give you a lot of satisfaction because you exchange your ideas and brainstorm all the time, and at the end everyone brings their best skills to deliver the product. And even if you're there for the experience only, I think that at the end of the day you realize that the individuals involved are just so exceptional that you do create these bonds that probably will last for years. Definitely if I would give my younger self advice of just believe in yourself and just do what you love, because even if you have a feeling that other people perform better or other people do better stuff, it's just so not relevant. You just need to focus on the one thing that you really want. And these projects just prove it. We have so many people from different years, and if you have the support and if you find the right people, this is the key. This is literally the key.